Hi, this is Kitty Caracciolo, and I'm coming to you today to show you how I shape some of my different paper flowers. For this first flower, I place the flower petal sections face down, and I roll on each petal with the large round stylus to roll the petals straight up. I go around each petal and I push down pretty hard, as you can see, so I can roll the edges and push all of them up. The next thing I do is I turn the flowers face up and I push down really hard into my molding pad. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I have about 4 molding pads layered together so that it gives me a lot of give when I'm pushing in on the flowers so that I can really get a good shape on them. Now I use my tweezers to hold the flower sections in place. You're going to see here when I pick my tweezers up, the flowers actually come apart a little bit, so I have to go back down and put them in place again. The cool thing about using the tweezers instead of your fingers is that you have a lot more clear view of where you're putting the flower petals, so that you can offset them so that they look like a more natural flower. Right now I'm rolling all the other 2 flower sections with a smaller tip stylus, and I turn them face up. For this little flower, I did bring in an even smaller round tip. Then I turn them face up and I start putting the centers into the flower. I did 2 sections. I did 3 sections of each little flower center, and I lined them up inside, and at the end, when I get them totally put together, I'll fluff them up a little bit with my paper piercer. You'll see what I'm talking about. So I use a good amount of Glossy Accents when I'm putting these sections together. I live here in Orlando, Florida, where we have a lot of humidity, so I always want to be sure that my flowers are going to stay together. As you can see, I'm just lining them up and putting them in together. I'm trying to offset them. It's a little bit difficult to offset the little smaller flower sections to see all the petals offset, but it's worth taking the time to do that so that you have a more natural looking flower when you're finished. If you don't have a good set of tools to do your flower making, you definitely want to have a large round stylus, a smaller round. I have several different sizes that I use for my flowers, but then I always want a very small tipped stylus when I'm pushing down in on some of the smaller size flowers that I work with. So there you have it, a pretty flower. You see it didn't take very long. I hope you've enjoyed my video and that you'll come back and see some of the other ones that I'm going to put together.